morning, guys, and welcome to the Mount Walker 888. Now, my name is Edlin Motsamai, and what I do is that I teach business, whether it's in AI, whether it's physical, whether it's point of sale, anything that has to do with business, that's me, because I have 25 years, which will be 26 years this year, in business. Make sure you do actually follow our YouTube channel. I will really appreciate it. And also my information regarding to my website as well as my email is in the comment section, so you can go check it out, or my description. Okay, now guys, I hope you all are doing well. I know last week I didn't look so good. I was looking like trash. Because you know the reason why, guys, I actually do welding. I have a welding service as well as industrial service, so sometimes I don't even look great. Okay, like you see today, I'm supposed to go do my nails in Santon. What happens is that I have to first do you first, okay, because I haven't been on the YouTube channels from last week, and I did promise I'm going to be consistent, and I'm sorry about that, guys. It's because we had a huge client, okay, that we had to deal with. Okay, now guys, today I'm going straight to the point. Make sure you do subscribe, as I said, as well as I have another YouTube channel which is called Elite Entertainment Channel. It's in AI. You can go check me out in AI. It's actually me, but it's just that I'm in podcast in AI level, okay, whereby I'm giving relationship advice there. Okay, now this is the thing that I wanted to talk to you about, guys. You remember I told you I'll make mistakes and I won't erase them. Okay, today we're going to be speaking about how to financially set goals for your business. Okay, now the reason why you have to get a pen and paper for this, because this is very important, and I'm going straight to the point so that I won't waste your time. Okay, firstly, your goals need to make sense and align with future financial setbacks as well as emergencies. Why I'm writing this is because there's a lot of information. I know 25 years is a lot of years. Okay, I always write my information to be very sure what I'm saying to you guys. Now, the reason why I say that is because your goals must be realistic. You can't go and state that I'm going to make 20,000 a month and stuff, knowing that the fact that realistically your stock as well as your startup fund is very low. Okay, so you need to start small, as well as when you start making money, don't just go and spend it on yourself unless you're starting to get a high niche market. Okay, you must make sure you know your niche market, and when your niche market as well as your client base come together and they start supporting you more, that's when you can start spending on yourself. But therefore you need to have emergency a fund in case anything has to happen regarding to stock taking, or you have to go and do returns, or anything that has to deal with business. Okay, the second one is that don't overstock your business. Do not go and think, okay, I got a business idea, and then go and overstock, and then therefore it's oversaturated in the market. Make sure, remember I spoke to you previously about this on my page, whereby I stated that you need to check who your niche market or your target market is, and who is not putting too much business, pushing too much business towards that area or niche market. The less people that are dealing business with that, the more money you make in that. Okay, now the third one I said is that you must make sure you're making money from your price tag. It must be like you are price tagging for your stock. Okay, it mustn't be like you're price tagging for your stock. Meaning that when I wrote that is that whenever, like say for instance, you are price tagging, do not go make it too cheap whereby you only go home with stock price. Then you've run at a loss. So therefore you need to go and do your research on your competitors and how much they are charging, as well as you need to make sure the price tag also benefits you. Okay, and the more you get popular, the more you need to think of your quality base regarding to your products, as well as your niche market, as well as the amount of finance that you need to do regarding to that. Please do not mind that noise, guys. As I said, I'm running a welding business. Okay, so now another thing that I wrote here, guys, is that you need to check your financial data every afternoon or monthly to check whether you are spending or what you are spending on. Now the reason why I wrote this is because, guys, that is very important. You need to check your finances even in the afternoon, or say for instance monthly, a monthly figure of how much you are actually spending per month. Okay, so that the fact that you know what's going on in your life, because sometimes there are staff members that are going to steal from you. Sometimes there are overpriced wholesalers, which I have previously given you wholesalers who to go to, okay? They're at my bottom videos, or I'll put the link also in my comment section. So therefore you need to understand how much you're spending, or you're running at a loss, or is your profit margin going higher, okay? The last one that I said, guys, towards y'all, is that please create a plan on how to pay off your debt. Guys, you need to pay off your debt. Reason why you need to pay off your debt, it's because why? You are going to need that good credit, okay? For say, for instance, your business is becoming very big and a lot of people are coming towards you. Now you can financially secure your own payments. Now what's going to happen is that because you got good credit, you will be able to ask for funding in any bank, okay? And therefore you can pay it off. Please make sure that you are all right with your payments, your debt payments, because why? Once you blacklisted, you cannot take out of funding when you start booming in your business, okay? Now thank you guys for watching. I really appreciate it. I am also posting 2 more videos today, so therefore you must go and check it out, or I'll schedule it for next week, okay? But I'll see what I can do. And another thing is that, guys, if you want to go and support me regarding to my business, or say for instance, if you want to support me regarding to my affiliate marketing, my links are also in the comment section, as well as there's a link in the bio of my digital products, whereby we actually deal with business, health, as well as adult content, as well as regarding to anything that you need regarding to digital products, okay? Bye guys, I love you. I need to go now.
You better subscribe to our channel for more business info.